Today we're going to teach you 1 point and 2 point perspective.
This is 1 point perspective. And this is 2 point perspective.
Do you see the difference? 1 point is where you see the front side and the top. 2 point is where you see the sides and the top, or the sides and the bottom, depending on where you place the object.
1 point's perspective. You only have one vanishing point. 2 point perspective. You have 2 vanishing points on your horizon line. Why do we use 1 point perspective? It's because, come here, yeah. As things you see, especially boxes, especially boxes, as you look at them going further back into space, this part gets smaller and this part is bigger. So the more lifelike you want them, do it. You gotta do it. With 2 point, you have 2 vanishing points. In each vanishing point, these points, these angles get smaller than this one. Before, we had 2 sides, the top and the side. Now we have 2 sides and a top. So we have to pay attention to all of it.
Alright, first we're going to do the 1 point perspective. The first step is placing your vanishing point. So you can put it anywhere on the paper or the board. Then you're going to place your shape. We're just going to do a square to make a box. And your next step is taking the top 2 edges and connecting them back to the vanishing point. You don't do the bottom because you wouldn't see it anyway. After that, you're going to create your parallel line to the top. And the reason you do that is so this wouldn't look like it's going forever back. So you actually create your shape. And then there's your box. If you want one that does like the front and the side, instead of the front and the top, draw it like that. But you have to move your object away from the vanishing point to do that. And you connect that. And do the same thing with the parallel line. And there's your object.
Okay, now we're going to go over 2 point perspective. Now you start with your horizon line that goes all the way across your paper or board. Then you place 2 points anywhere on the horizon line. Now that you've placed those, you can cross them like this, and then you get your new point. Your new point is the important one. It shows you where the beginning of your block is, the corner, and then just go to those, and you want to cut this off so that it doesn't look like it's going on forever. And then we will come back to the point from these 2 points. So we'll go to this point and to this point. That didn't turn out so well. And then the rest of this we can just erase because we no longer need, because now we have our new box.